Their father, they don't wish. They wish you. Now die. What's up guys, my name is Praiz, and in this video I'll be playing Asphalt 9 and PUBG in or on. Is it in or on? In on at the Samsung Galaxy A01. But before we start gaming, if you are new here or perhaps you haven't already, please consider hitting that subscribe button just below this video and turn on the post notification bell icon so that you get notified the next time and every other time I post a new video like this one. So after playing for about 30 minutes, this device held up quite smoothly. Surprisingly, I had no issues with lags and stutters on both games, especially with Asphalt, even though I could only install the light version of PUBG because of the limited storage space on this guy. I still had a nice gaming experience on this Samsung Galaxy A01. About heating and temperature, I can't explain it, but it's like this device was built for gaming because every part of this device was at peace. There was no part of the device that was outrageously hot. Battery life was also good, really good I must say, and I'm impressed with this device when it comes to gaming. With that said, the Galaxy A01 might not be a great performer when it comes to specs, features and media, but it has proved to be a very decent performer when it comes to gaming. I experienced only minor lags and stutters with no frame drops, surprisingly. So I recommend this device to anyone who is really into gaming but on a very slim budget. Please subscribe if you've not, like if this video was helpful, share if you don't mind helping others, and I'll see you when I see you next week in the next one. Peace.